How do you create shareable Canva templates for free and sell them on Etsy for more than $1,000 profit every single month with zero investment to start with? I'll share exactly how you can do that in today's video. Hi, I'm Lydia, and on this channel we talk about social media marketing for business and making more money online. So if you're interested in these topics, make sure to click the subscribe button below. If you want to sell on Etsy with zero investment, you might want to use the link below to open your shop and get 40 free listings. But aside from that, how do you create and sell Canva templates for profit every single month? Let's begin. First, choose your niche or your templates type. Your templates can be social media templates for Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, YouTube brand kits. They can be branding mood boards or logo templates, wedding invitation templates, media kits for influencers, and much more. So basically, when creating a template in Canva for free, you're creating an example of a product that people can use as a base, as an inspiration to create their own social media posts, to create their own logos, and much more. People can quickly get your template, edit it, and use it for their business. And that is why these templates are so popular, because they save time, people pay once, and they can use those templates to post on social media, for example, for as many months as they would like. Now, how do you know which types of templates will bring you money? Because not all of them have a high profit margin, not all of them are so searchable, not all of them have low competition. So how do you know which ones to create? Well, market research, which you can do in two different ways. Etsy market research, and then using a keyword tool for Etsy such as Selling Samurai. In this video, I will use the example of logo designs, and I will see how big the competition is for these types of templates and if they are worth selling on Etsy after creating them in Canva. So go ahead and open Etsy. You will need to write in the search bar minimal logo Canva templates or logo templates design, or pre-made logo designs. Use different types of keyword combinations and look at the results. See how many search results each of those keywords have, and that will determine the competition and how popular that product is. If it is lower than 1,000 or 2,000 search results, then it is a good keyword to start with. But if it is more than that, as a new shop, you have lower chances at competing with it and ranking in search, so I wouldn't start with that type of product. When typing something in Etsy search, such as pre-made logo, you will also see in the drop-down a bunch more variants for that type of keywords, so you will see what other people are also searching for and be able to use that as an inspiration for your first product. While doing this research, also pay attention to the product's pricing and the types of products that are showing up in search. For example, somebody is selling 12 pre-made logo templates for $20. If you want to compete with that, you can sell 50 pre-made logo templates for $30 or a bit less even to get your shop started and get some reviews. So keep that in mind, because we will also look at that in Selling Samurai to determine your price range and how much you need to sell your product for. Look at those keywords and type them down, because you will need to use some of those keywords for your title, description, and tags for your Etsy listing. Again, only use relevant tags and relevant keywords for your product. Don't just add random keywords such as flower design logo if your design doesn't include flowers. It will be a wasted keyword and people won't click on your product. Now, my next advice is to niche down even more. After you've niched down to minimal logo design, you will need to niche down a little bit more, because it is the best way to get sales and reviews, especially as a beginner. Remember to keep a niche shop all together, but your products, each of them, need to be very niched. For example, minimal watercolor flowers pre-made logo designs. This gives less than 200 results in Etsy, which means it is a keyword that you can compete with as a beginner. But let's see what Selling Samurai is saying about this. You can get a 3-day free trial with Selling Samurai at the link in the description, so you can do your own keyword research for your desired products. But let's go ahead and see what they say for the logo templates. For example, I searched for watercolor pre-made logo design. And even though the search results in Etsy are over 2,000 right now for this keyword, Selling Samurai is telling me that the competition is okay to compete with. And on the left side of the screen, it is giving me options of tags or keywords that I can use in my product listing title and tags. And in the right side of the screen, it is also giving me more product options or more keyword options that I can start creating products in. And of course, it is telling me their competition. So I'm looking for for low competition and high search volume. For example, you can see here moon watercolor logo. So people are looking for templates to design their own logo with a moon watercolor. You can try creating that because the search volume is good and the competition is low. And you can create a shop all about logo designs or brand kits designs to keep your shop niched, because keeping your shop niched will also help you have success on Etsy. And now the next step is to start creating your templates, your products in Canva, and then sharing them to your Etsy shop. So you can start with a regular logo size for your logo templates, and then go ahead and type in the text you want it to be like. For example, you can search in Canva for moon watercolor or moon elements if you want to create that type of product, and create around 20 to 50 templates for your first product. You can use text wrapping or use the circle effects. You can use other graphics in your logo design, different types of fonts, and I would keep the font background minimal, like a light gray, light yellow, or white, so people can see the logo design very clearly in your listing photos. If you want to invest in your logo designs, you can also find a bunch of graphics, watercolor graphics, and more in Creative Market at the link below. That will help you create more unique logo designs for your audience and get your Etsy shop started the right way. In Sales Samurai, you can also see other types of products that you are searching for and their price range, so you can determine what prices you want to add for your own products. You can check out some of those listings, see what information they are offering to their customers, the keywords that they have in the title, description, and tags, and also take a look at their listing photos and main listing photos, so the thumbnail photo, because that is something that you will also need to compete with when you create your own listing images. You want to make sure that your listing images stand out and show up your logo designs the best, so people can click on your product when being found in search. For the logos, you can also use text shadows and much more to create unique designs that will help your shop earn more than $1,000 per month. Once you're done creating your templates, make sure to click on share as template, and copy link, and then you can create a PDF in Canva where you describe what your product is, and then include the link to the template there. When you will list your product on Etsy, that PDF will be what you add to give to your customer as the product, and when people will click on that link, they will go directly to your template and be able to edit it in Canva. If you want to learn more about how to grow on Etsy, how to list a product on Etsy, how to sell more digital products, make sure to click the subscribe button below, because there are a lot more videos coming in the future and I post every single week. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Lida.incomingsuccess for more such content on growing online with social media and making more money online. Thank you so much for being here. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to leave it a like if it was, and I will see you in my next video.